Right. Installing a new aftermarket. Actually, I put the Clarion radio in, and when I went to turn the car off, the radio stayed on. No matter you open the door, close the door, lock the doors, the radio stayed on. Little research, come to find, and power harness connects. It's a Sochi Volkswagen. Everything went great. Connection. And what I realized, or what I'm hoping the case is going to be, to take out this radio is pretty simple. I'm not going to go through 4 screws comes out. Simple. I'm not going to walk you through that process. But what I believe I need is a main constant power line. That is that this harness is wired differently for the factory head unit. So I'm going to bypass the red power line and instead now look for another source of power to run my new unit. Where am I going to find that? At first I figured I would jump into the cigarette lighter. Really can't figure out how I was going to get there. But I just happened to reach my hand down in here. And you're going to find a purple wire. And it's going to say power cable right there that you can now use to power up. I'm going to try that, see if it works. Now, believe it or not, I had this cable like this, and I stepped away for a minute, I came back, and this thing went all the way down, and it took me a minute to find it. So if you get it up here, make sure you tape it up. Don't let it get away from you. Alright, let's see if what I'm going to end up doing now is taking that purple wire and running it to the main, letting it power the main wire on my Sochi kit. We'll see how that works out. Okay, so what I did was I took that purple wire, which I said was hanging out back here mysteriously, and I'm now going to run that directly to my power cable, which is the red cable. It's going right to the harness for my radio. Alright, everything else, all the other wire connections stayed the same, nothing changed there. I kept yellow to yellow, stuff like that. So that's it. Let's see what happens. Alright, so ignition's on. Radio comes on. Alright. Turn the ignition off. Radio goes off. So it fixed the problem. I hope it works for you.